Migraines, headaches, oof, nobody likes them. Here is a short routine that can hopefully help you feel a little bit better when you feel them coming on. So just grab whatever you have around the house, blanket, pillow, cushion, doesn't matter as long as it's comfortable for you. Just give a little bit of extra support here. And a nice thing to do is rest in a child's pose with some support for your head and neck to release tension in your shoulders and everything here. So maybe double up on your blanket or pillow and just let yourself relax here. And then let your head turn to whichever side, if that feels better, feels best for you. And do whatever with your arms feels most comfortable for you. So if you start in kind of a usual child's pose position and it just doesn't feel so good, play around, maybe reach one arm up or the other arm or one arm back. Just let yourself move until you find a really good place. So you can drop the tension in your shoulders and your back. And start taking a few really long, deep breaths. Feel free to hang out here for as long as feels really good for you. So maybe 5 or 10 really long, deep breaths is a great start. And if you're feeling like a little bit more intensity here, try sliding one arm up and under the other arm just to give a little bit more release for your shoulders and just adjust that pillow or your blanket, however feels nice. Even without a headache or a migraine, this feels great too. So when you need a little bit of extra tension release in your head and neck and shoulders. Again, do whatever with your arms that feels best for you. Don't feel limited to any specific position you've seen in a picture or video here. Just do what feels best. Feel free to stay there as long as feels useful, and maybe go for the other side as well. A few big breaths. And try to lengthen your exhales even a little bit longer than your inhales. So your inhales are already really big and full and deep. And even longer with your exhales. Again, feel free to hang there for as long as you like. Maybe spend a few breaths back to neutral. You can even open your mouth as you exhale. That may help to release some tension in your jaw as well. And feel free again to stay there for as long as you like. If you're feeling all right to come back up to sitting, feel free to do that. And stretch the legs out in front of you here. And a really nice one, you can roll up your blanket or your pillow, just nuzzle something up against your belly there. Just relax over your legs a bit here. Try not to make this a really big, intense stretch, but just soften a bit in your legs enough so you can really relax your head and neck here a bit. And just breathe. Even relax your feet if you're used to kind of holding your feet flexed when you forward bend. Just let that go. No need to perform any yoga poses here for anybody. Again, really big, deep breaths here. When you're ready, roll yourself all the way back up. Maybe hang there for a bit, just upright. If you'd like to roll down, it's nice to have a bit of a pillow for your head there. Maybe knees just upright. Maybe the knees can drift out to the sides, bottoms of your feet together. Maybe have your knees just relax toward each other, feet out toward your sides a bit. Just find a comfortable place to relax for a while. And feel free to hang here for as long as you like, even take a bit of a snooze. Sometimes that's great if you can manage to have a headache dissolve out of your life for a while. So hopefully you'll feel better, and I'll see you soon.